First ball position, jackpot lechon manok. Keheto sa lingguhay. 2 points sa lingguhay from Kehe. Hernando, no good. Offensive rebound, dupla. 2 points, dupla. To Largo. No good. Offensive rebound. Prodoa to Padua. 2-pointer. 2 points, Padua. Hernando to Padua. 2 points, Padua. What a move coming from Mr. Padua. 2 points sa lingguhay. Hernando to Largo. 2 Padua. 2 points, Padua from Largo. Pass to Prodoa. Foul and 1. 2 points, Prodoa plus bonus throw. Miss rebound. 1 point. Papelera. To Sobrado. 2 points, Sobrado from Papelera. To Papelera. Tori Campo. 2 points, Tori Campo. Intercepted. Papelera. No good. Offensive rebound. Papelera. 2 points, Papelera. To Garcia. 2 points, Garcia from Concepcion. No good. Offensive rebound, Santos. Santos to Te. 4-3. 3 points, Te from Santos. Concepcion to Montenegro. Nakalusot. 2 points, Montenegro from Concepcion. Garcia. 2 points, Garcia from Montenegro. Panisa, 4-3. 3 points, Panisa from Bores. 10. Bores to Bulaong. 2-pointer, in and out. Offensive rebound, Bulaong. 2 points, Bulaong. Papelera to Zuzubrado. 2 points, Zuzubrado from Papelera. Papelera to Salingbuhay. Salingbuhay. 2 points, Salingbuhay. Rebound, Papelera. To Salingbuhay. 2 points, Salingbuhay from Papelera. Padua. Pass to Prodoa. 2 points, Prodoa from Padua. Hernando. Prodoa. 2 points, Prodoa. Bores 4-3. 3 points, Bores from Te. 2 points, Te. To Bulaong. 2 points, Bulaong from Te. Foul and 1. 2 points, Gong plus bonus throw. 1 point. Intercepted, Hernando. Hernando pass to Prodoa. 2 points, Prodoa from Hernando. Te. 4-3. 3 points, Te. Padua. No good. Offensive rebound, Garcia. 2-pointer. 2 points, Garcia. Bores to Papelera. 2-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound, Salingbuhay. 2 points, Salingbuhay. To Bores. 2 points, Bores from Papelera. Third rebound, Salingbuhay. To Papelera to Bores. 2 points, Bores from Papelera. Cobio to Largo. 2-pointer, 2 points, Largo from Cubio. Cubio to Concepcion. 2 points, Concepcion. Cubio to Concepcion for 3. 3 points, Concepcion. Bores to Salingbuhay. No good. Offensive rebound, Papelera. 2 points, Papelera. For 3. No good. Offensive rebound, Dupla to Padua. 2 points, Padua from Dupla. Cordova, double foul. Concepcion for 3. 3 points, Concepcion. Salingbuhay. Foul and 1. 2 points, Salingbuhay plus bonus throw. 1 point. Seconds to play. Dupla to Hernando. 2 points, Hernando from Dupla. Bores. Two points, Bores. Pointer. No good. Rebound, Cordova. End of regulation. Final score, 63-51. Winner and congratulations. Jackpot Lechon Manok. Congratulations. Ay, natalan. Grabe ba, Joy? Una, magpasalamat ko sa Ginoo, sa Team Jackpot, ug sa among competitor. Magpasalamat ko kay Komisyon Nito, kay Noel sa among team. Gusto ko na ko ihatag akong honorable mention kay Bores, kay Toto, o kay Noel, o kay Nico. Maayo kay pagkadepensa niya sa shooter nila. Sa tanan pamilya na ko, salamat kayo o sa Ginoo. So sa Team Jackpot, go for the win. So salamat and God bless us all.
Okay, once again, thank you and congratulations.